Hi everyone, welcome to competitive pharmacy. First question, drug which is not metabolized by acetylation. Option A isoniazid, option B hydralazine, option C procainamide, option D metronidazole. Correct answer is option B metronidazole. Drug metabolized by acetylation, isoniazid, hydralazine, procainamide, phenylazine, dapsone, some sulfonamides. Drug metabolized by glucuronidation, chloramphenicol, aspirin, phenacetin, morphine, metronidazole, diazepam. By glutathione conjugation, paracetamol. By sulfate conjugation, alpha-methyl dopa, albuterol, terbutaline, acetaminophen, phenacetin. You have seen phenacetin. Phenacetin is metabolized both by sulfate conjugation and by glucuronidation. Then methylation, nicotinic acid, adrenaline, histamine. So the question is asking about drug which is not metabolized by acetylation. So isoniazid, hydralazine, procainamide, these drugs are metabolized by acetylation. So the metronidazole is metabolized by glucuronidation. So the correct answer is option D. Hope you understand this question. Next question, question number 2. Which of the following drugs are metabolized by pseudocholinesterase or butyrylcholinesterase? Option A, succinylcholine. Option B, mivacurium. Option C, benzocaine. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is all the above. Neuromuscular blocking agents such as this succinylcholine and mivacurium are metabolized by pseudocholinesterase, and also benzocaine. Benzocaine here is a ester local anesthetic agent. These ester local anesthetic agents are metabolized by pseudocholinesterase or butyrylcholinesterase present in our blood, while amide type local anesthetics are metabolized in liver. So ester local anesthetic include benzocaine, chloroquine, cocaine, procaine, popracaine, tetracaine, amylocaine, oxybupropion. Then amide local anesthetic includes last word you can able to see vacaine, 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 and rest of the lidocaine, prilocaine, etidocaine. These drugs are amide local anesthetics. These are, I already told you that these drugs are metabolized in the liver, while ester local anesthetics are metabolized in blood by pseudocholinesterase enzyme. Okay. Then third question, identify the isoelectric point of type B gelatin. Option A 7.5, option B 11, option C 6.1, option D 4.9. Correct answer is option D 4.9. There are two types of gelatin. Type A gelatin whose isoelectric point is in 7 to 9, and type B gelatin whose isoelectric point is in 4.8 to 5.1. How the type A gelatin is prepared? Type A gelatin is created via acid treatment. Acid treatment, and type B is processed with an alkaline or higher pH. So what is isoelectric point? Isoelectric point is the pH at which there is no net electric charge. That is, it is electrically neutral in the statistical means. So the correct answer is option D 4.9. Next question. Dopaminergic agonist used in the treatment of Parkinsonism. Option A levodopa, option B carbidopa, option C mirtazapine, option D ropinirole. So the correct answer is ropinirole. This levodopa, don't get confused with as a dopaminergic agonist. It is replacement, dopamine replacement therapy. So actually the dopamine itself, levodopa, in what will we do in dopamine replacement therapy? Levodopa plus any of the peripheral actin decarboxylase inhibitors like a carbidopa, benzyrazide. Direct dopamine agonist, ropinirole. protigotin, carbagoline, pramipexole, apomorphine, bromocriptine, pergolide. Question is asking about dopaminergic agonist, so the answer is ropinirole. Then MAO-B inhibitors are there, rasaglin, selegirin, COMB inhibitor, catechol or methyl transferase inhibitors, endacapone, tolcapone, NMDA receptor antagonists like amantadine, memantine, then antihistamines like promethazine, orphanadrine, central anticholinergic like trihexyphenidyl, procyclidine, bipyridine. These are drugs used in Parkinsonism. So the question is asking about drug used as dopaminergic agonist. Levodopa, we already seen it is used as a replacement therapy. And then carbidopa, peripheral decarboxylase inhibitors. Ropinirole, this is dopaminergic agonist. Then mirtazapine, that is mirtazapine. Mirtazapine is an atypical antidepressants class primarily used to treat depression. Then, which of the following, question number 5, which of the following electromagnetic radiation have greatest frequency, higher frequency? Option A, X-ray, option B, radio waves, option C, microwaves, option D, gamma rays. The correct answer is gamma rays. So, from lowest to highest frequency or longest to shortest wavelength, the order is radio waves, which include commercial radio and television, microwaves, radar, infrared rays, visible light, ultraviolet radiation, X-rays, and gamma rays. So gamma rays is the gamma ray having highest frequency. That means shortest wavelength, highest frequency or shortest wavelength. That answer is D. Next question. Hydrogen peroxide is assayed by which of the following method? Option A, diazotization titration. Option B, non-aqueous titration. Option C, redox titration. Option D, none of these. Hydrogen peroxide is assayed by redox titration. Here we are using oxidizing effect of potassium permanganate. So redox reaction take place in this hydrogen peroxide assay. So the correct answer is option C. Next question. Which reagent is used to detect phenolic compound? Phenolic compound. Option A, vanillin sulfuric acid. Option B, Wagenroff reagent. Option C, ninhydrin. Option D, methanolic ferric chloride. Correct answer is vanillin sulfuric acid. Vanillin sulfuric acid is a spray reagent. This is used for the detection of components of essential oils. The essential oil components like terpenoids, phenyl propane derivatives, phenols. So phenolic compounds are can be detected by using vanillin sulfuric acid as spray reagent. Also not essential oils are also detected by using vanillin sulfuric acid. Essential oil. Wagenroff reagents. The second option is Wagenroff reagent. So Wagenroff reagent is used to detect alkaloids, heterocyclic nitrogen compounds, quaternary amines. Ninhydrin reagent, you already know, it's used for detection of amino acid, biogene amines. Then methanolic ferric chloride used for the analysis of fatty acid composition of lipids. So the correct answer is A. This vanillin sulfuric acid, the spray reagent used to detect phenolic compound as well as essential oil also. Don't forget the essential oil. Next question is vanillin sulfuric acid is used to detect what? Option A, alkaloids. Option B, tannins. Option C, volatile oil components. Option D, saponins. We have seen in explanation of last question that vanillin sulfuric acid is used to detect what? Option C, volatile oil components. Next, basal thermometer is used for option A, temperature determination. Option B, estimation of time of population. Option C, constancy of pharma product. Option D, stability. Basal thermometer is similar to our digital thermometer, but nano variation can be recorded. So it is used to the estimation of time of ovulation. The basal body temperature are marketed so specifically for the women trying to get pregnant. per pregnant. While charting your basal body temperature is a good way to track ovulation. So this is one of an important method for to estimate the time of ovulation. So basal thermometer measures your temperature just like regular, but the difference is very small. Small increment, even a small increment can be measured using basal thermometer. So the correct answer is B. Next question, in the preparation of vanishing cream, which type of bases are generally used? Option A, absorption bases. Option B, water removable bases. Option C, hydrocarbon bases. Option D, none of these. So in vanishing cream, what is vanishing cream is oil in water cream. Vanishing cream is oil in water cream. So water removable hydrocarbon base is used. Water removable hydrocarbon base is used in vanishing cream. So the correct answer is option B. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.